Oh, you know what? Now see, this is, I'm aware, there you are. This is your fault, because y'all sent me that email saying I need to talk, so now I gotta, I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit. All right, so, you know, so we got the first Africans here, all right, and then, you know, those Africans became slaves. And then those, I'm jumping, skimming through history, all right, we're definitely skimming through history. Those slaves became free, and they decided they wanted to start moving. They wanted to see what this country was all about. You had all these folks down in the Delta, down in Mississippi, you know, further down south and so forth. And they started moving to Chicago. You know, that's one of the main places that they went. And there was a fellow, Robert Johnson, who's considered to be the father of the blues, American blues. Well, there's only one blues. Blues is American. It's the American classical music, frankly. And Robert Johnson wrote this tune, but he was talking about moving. You know, one of the inspirations that a lot of these musicians had was the sound of the trains as they would go by, you know, and so you would hear. Right? Or maybe they get a little like this. The train getting right. Well, come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Well, come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Well, to that same old place, the sweet home Chicago. I said that one and one is two, two and two is four. Come on, my little baby, I ain't asking you no more. Now come on, baby, don't you wanna go? But to that same old place, the sweet and home Chicago. I said that one and one is two, 8 and 8, 16. Come on, little baby, now don't you make me get mean. Now come on, darling, baby, don't you wanna go? But to that same old place, the sweet home Chicago. Sweet days of my sweet days of yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about now, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, no, baby, don't you wanna go? Oh, way down south, the sweet home Chicago. I said I want us to, 4 and 4 is 8. Come on, little baby, I don't wanna litigate. Come on, baby, let's go. Baby, don't you wanna go? Oh, to that same old place, the sweet home Chicago. Sweet home Chicago. I said one and one is two, two and two is four. Come on, little baby, those I'm walking out the door. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Yeah, but to that same old place, the sweet home Chicago. Come on now, y'all hear that train running, right? Oh yeah. Oh, down on the north side now. To the same old place, the sweet home Chicago. Come on now. Well, now come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Harlem, you can hear that train pulling out the station. Ow! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh man, now I'm starting to warm up a little.